Welcome to the Nomadic Ink channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and today I am joined with... We're going to be doing a toothpaste review, and this is on the Dr.squatch toothpaste, daytime and nighttime. This will be a quick review where we just look at the product, tell you what we think about it, and do an up-close look at the very end. So that's basically it. We're going to jump into the review. This one right here is the daytime or the morning citrus mint. What do you think about this citrus mint?
The first time I use it, I feel like it's just flour melting in my mouth. Because I've been using, my whole life been using, you know, like what
Crest or Colgate or something, right?
So those are like really minty and foam really well. And sometimes you feel disgusting to swallow that. But this thing, like it's really organic feeling. Like the first time using it is like flour. Is this really working for my teeth?
It does have some ginseng, green tea, vitamin B12, and it is fluoride free, and it adds whitening. So in this nighttime blend, we do have some chamomile, some valerian, and some saw palomito. I probably pronounced all those wrong. Let me know in the comments down below. We have some fluoride free whitening, and it is a spearmint. Soothing spearmint to be exact.
The differences between the day and night, I always pick up the night one first, so we finish this quicker than the daytime. I like this thicker than the day for some reason. When I use it, this is thicker, and you feel it. You have toothpaste in your mouth, and I like the fulfillment. I like the color of gray. Make me feel clean.
This one would be one that we would choose again. The unfortunate problem with this is they are very spendy. I believe they're like $12 a piece or something like that.
But compared with those generic brand like the $2, $3, I think this is totally a different product. I can't even compare. Like it's for teeth, but it's totally different product. It's interesting the first time using the toothpaste just melted in. I don't feel like I have toothpaste in my mouth no matter how much I put in, it just melted real quick. Yeah, I thought, oh, it's totally not a good product. We shouldn't spend that much on this in the beginning. But after using a month or two, I see the difference.
You know, I definitely get this again, but I still feel that the extreme price is a little bit due to the fandom of the Squatch, as where a lot of fans will blindly buy their product because it says Squatch on it, and $12 for this tube is just a little too high for me. I would agree with you. It is a superior product to the other toothpaste we've tried. I actually really enjoy this product, but it's hard to part with $12 for a tube of toothpaste.
And for trying this is so different. I was like so not happy about the price, but using this for 2 months, I can feel my teeth is cleaner, and I enjoy to like not to have that strong scent in the morning like those generic brand. It's very natural.
I do actually like this toothpaste, and I would recommend getting it if you're really big fan of the Squatch or you're just looking for a natural toothpaste. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Is this price too high? Is it priced just right? Have you tried this? Do you like this? Which one of these two are your favorite? We'll be showing off the label and the product at the end of this video, but don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You already know how YouTube works. Works. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.